Victoria Car Park, lifts are getting replaced. Look at all those boxes of equipment. Schindler. Somatic door equipment, so they're probably going to be 55s. That's the siren. Yeah, so they're currently working on this one. Our last chance to have a go in these absolute...
Oh, look at that. You can see, is that the...
Yeah, you can see where the shaft lights are on, where the cab has already been removed. I can see that one coming because the shaft lights are on.
Yeah. Which one are you going to?
Where are you going?
I don't know what number it is. Just want to set up.
5.
Yeah, it would be really interesting to get that. If they ever take it off, look at it. Like.
I'd love to know whether they're going to stick with numbers or whether they'll actually change it and put letters on all the buttons on the new ones. That'd be interesting to see. I'm also wondering whether they might actually, what they might do about the fact that these lifts have got very narrow doors.
Yeah.
And they're quite small. Interesting to see how they... Oh, mind you, the shaft is really small. Look up there.
Yeah.
Right, let's go, because we've still got another 2 floors to go.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah, wow. Yeah. So that's where the doors have already been taken out. Let's get back in before we lose it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's soft level difference.
Now I'm thinking about looking down that shaft.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Yeah, the left car has already been completely removed. There's nothing there.
I think they put the temporary hoist in the third.
Yeah, that's so that they can climb up themselves. Right, let's go.
I bet they've already chucked the old buttons.
Probably.
Yeah, look now.
There you go.
Thank you.
What year was this?
These are either
1983 these were.
Oh wow, they're 80s, wow. I had them down as 70s for sure, but okay. They're 80s, but yeah. The doors are open a little bit.
You can see there's a little...
Yeah. The engineers aren't here, they've obviously finished for the day and gone home. Temporary hoist. That might, oh yeah, that's probably a temporary hoist. Can't really see through.
Yeah.
Wow. It's a shame, but you can see why they're doing this, because that left lift hasn't worked for over 18 months. So I don't blame them for doing it. Look at all this lot though. This looks like the cab floor. Or maybe the cab, yeah, that's the cab floor, look, because that's where the flooring was.
Yeah.
So that was the cab floor. And there's a wall panel there. Yeah, the old buttons have already gone. There's nobody around to ask about preserving old parts because they've already gone home for the day.
Or maybe they're just coming back, I don't know.
Possibly. They're probably finished for the day.
I'd love to email them.
Yeah.
I don't know one more email, but...
I don't know whether it would be better to email Schindler or Wilson Parking.
Probably Schindler.
Probably Schindler.
Parking have nothing to do with it.
True.
I think it's which email do you use?